Hi everybody, Colleen here with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. So today a fun and short little video about a holiday makeup look that I thought might be fun. Let's go for holiday colors. Let's get wild. I'm wearing a wild shirt. And let's do some green and gold eyeshadow look and some red lipstick. So that's what I have for you today. And stay tuned, let's see what happens. So I want to say thank you to all my subscribers that have come on board and joined the Colleen Beauty and Fashion bandwagon. I'm so happy that you're here. And if you're new, welcome. This is day 13 in my Colleen's Christmas countdown. And I'm having so much fun doing this series. It's all holiday related. And today I'm picking holiday colors for my makeup look. So let's go. So I've put on my foundation, which is the L'Oreal Visible Lift. I've got a little bit of Pixi On the Glow blush on in the color Ruby. I've put on my Jason Wu eyeshadow primer, and all the products I'm wearing will be listed in the description box below. So I'm going to start with my eyeshadow look now, and we'll do that first, and then I'll put the lipstick on at the end. So for this eyeshadow look, I'm using two different palettes. One is this Roma from Essence, and I'm going to start with it. I'm going to use a transition shade, which will be this one right here, this kind of light one right here, and I'm also going to use this green color out of this palette. But let's start with the transition shade right here. So I've got my makeup mirror right here. I'm going to just use it. These Essence eyeshadow palettes, I did a whole series on them that you can find in my playlist, but they are great little palettes if you don't want to spend a lot of money. They're not the highest quality, of course, because you know that you can only do so much for so little, right? But they are really, really good, and there are lots of great color stories and a lot of fun to work with. So I highly recommend them if you want a great eye look on a budget. So next I'm going to go in with this darker green here, right here, and I'm going to do that on the outer third of my lid. And we don't worry at this point about how perfect it is, because we always go in and blend it at the end. And this is a great little brush for just tapping the color into place. It's the BK Beauty 207. 207? Let me get my glasses. Yeah, 207. So that's that color on. So next I want to play a bit with this beautiful gold shade here. So I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm going to use this, brush. Just your basic eyeshadow brush. So there we go, a pretty gold, green and gold, looking very festive. And now I'm going to put this from the Huda Beauty Gemstones palette. I'm going to use this green color. It's right here. And I'm going to use my finger to just kind of go in on the middle. This is a really pretty shimmery green. That's that. Now I'm just going to dip into my gold again. And now I'm going to use my eyeliner brush from BK Beauty. You can see it there. Nice little brush. And I'm going to use this green again as an eyeliner. And for this, I generally need to switch to a magnifying mirror. Magnifying mirror works much better for this. Okay, there we go. We've got our eyeliner in place. Now I can use this brush just to kind of smoke it out, make the line a little bit. So there's the green and gold eyeshadow look. I'm going to finish it off and then I'll be back. So there we go. I went away and I put a little bit of mascara on, and I will put a second coat on as well when I do the finished look for you. But there's the green and gold eyeshadow. I think it's very pretty. It's not, you were worried. I know you were. There was going to be two out there, but this is pretty subtle. So I think it's quite pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the lipstick now. I've chosen the Gwen Stefani original recipe for this. It's a really true blue red, you can see, and I think it's nice for a holiday red. So there we go, my lipstick is on. I'm going to go away and finish my hair and put my jewelry on and everything, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. So here we go then. Here's my finished look for today. I fixed my hair, put on a little bit of jewelry from Miranda, Frye, and I have a link down to her jewelry below. I really love it. I think it's really beautiful quality, really interesting pieces, at a great price. So if you're Christmas shopping, you might want to check out Miranda Frye. Anyway, this is the finished look, and I think it's quite okay. It's not too bright, not too colorful, I don't think. Let me know what you think about this Christmas holiday makeup look down in the comments below. I love to hear from you guys, so if you have any thoughts, just let me know. So as always, Miss Bonnie is here to say goodbye. She was napping and I woke her up. So she's such a good girl. She likes to say goodbye to the people. You ready? Ready? Look at your face. You're so funny. Bye-bye, people. Bye-bye, people. Bye-bye now. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.